all are going through a rough phase. एक ऐसा टाइम जिसके बारे में हमने कभी ना सोचा था और ना कभी चाहा था. But here we are facing this pandemic. इस पैंडेमिक में हम पॉजिटिविटी नाम को तो भूल ही गए हैं. Because obviously there is so much negativity around कि हम पॉजिटिव रहें भी तो कैसे. In this video, I'll be talking about 4 tips जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे in remaining positive. They are tried and tested by me. Like I have actually tried them and they have worked really well in my favor. I hope they will help you also. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. Number 1. Write down your negative feelings. First of all, it is completely okay that you feel negative sometimes. But it should not be a continuous affair. You should not feel the same way continuously. For this, what you can do, you can just pick up a pen and a paper and write down all the thoughts which are coming into your mind at that particular point of time when you are feeling negative. When you are writing all the thoughts and when you look at them, you will realize that there is a problem because of which you are sad or because of which you are negative. Then identify that problem and try to reduce and eradicate that problem. It will help you a lot. Number 2. Cut off those who bring negativity. Trust me or not, but the people we interact with, if they are negative, we tend to become negative. Without even realizing, we actually start thinking like them and for them, which is worse. But it will take some time. But when you will realize and when you will identify that who is bringing that negativity into your life, just cut them off. And if you cannot do that, just try to reduce the talk time as much as possible. That means the interaction should be less so that they are not impacting your life as well as your brain functioning. Number 3. Every day do at least 2 things which you absolutely love. When we do something that we absolutely love, it reduces our stress as well as it makes us happy. Because obviously when we are indulging in something which is so much important to us and which we like the most, we tend to forget about our sadness and we tend to forget about all the worriness which are causing negativity in our life. So try to indulge yourself in doing something like cooking, dancing, painting, anything, whatever you like. Just try to do it every day so that you will be diverting your mind from the main cause of negativity and you will be moving towards the main cause of positivity. Number 4. Make a positive playlist. This works for me best. Make a positive playlist of something which you can listen. Like podcast, like TED Talk, like songs, like anything which you can actually listen when you are feeling sad. It will directly divert your mind from being sad to being happy. Because whatever kind of a talk or a song or whatever kind of a thing you are listening to, the mind will be diverted towards that. So try to make a positive playlist and try to listen to that playlist whenever you feel low and negative in life. These tips have really worked for me because they are my personal favorite. I hope that they will work for you as well. And if they do let me know. And if you really like this video, share with your friends so that they can also feel positive in this tough time. Thank you for watching. If you really like this video, share, like and subscribe.